Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy you can grow coriander in your own backyard. So that's what the seed look like. Just dug a shallow trench. Put the seed about half an inch apart. This is a coriander that has been planted about 2 months ago. I have been harvesting them for last few weeks already. Let's harvest some of them now. So you don't want to pull the whole thing out. You can actually cut it. So what that would do is it will grow again. So as long as the roots are still there. I'm going to take this bunch and just cut it about 1 to 2 inch from the bottom. Nice and fresh. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming gardening videos. And as always, happy gardening.